We have been brought up to experience ourselves as isolated centers placed in a world that is not us. Which we confront. What you do is what the whole universe is doing, in the same way that a wave is something that the whole ocean is doing. The real you is not a puppet which life pushes around. The real deep down you is the whole universe. Nature has a self-ordering principle, but it doesn't really know how it does it. Here's the choice then. Are you going to trust it or not?